Hey, it's Ty Crandall with Credit Suite with a quick business credit and funding tip on how you can build your business credit quickly based on how business credit scores are calculated. So good business credit scores can be calculated very quickly and very easily because to get good scores, all you need to do is have credit with credit issuers that report to the business credit reporting agencies. So you basically get credit with places like Uline and Quill that are vendors. You use the credit, you paid the bills on time or early, and then that credit gets reported to the business credit reporting agencies. Early payments alone by themselves mean you'll get a great credit score. It's super simple in the business world. All we need to do is get you credit that reports to the reporting agencies, you pay it on time or early, and the timely payments equate to a good business credit score. Now with a great score, you'll then be able to get high limit revolving accounts very quickly. Places like Amazon, Office Depot, Staples revolving accounts, even move on to Visa card, MasterCard, American Express, cash credit, even auto vehicle financing. So here's an example of how this actually looks on a business credit report. So you can see that having a very low score to a very high score was not easy to do, or was not difficult to do. You can see that the reporting from one quarter to the next, somebody went from a failing score of 12 all the way to a ridiculously high score of 96. Now in the business credit scoring world, 100's the best score you can get and 0's the worst. So in this case, somebody went from almost as bad as you can get to as good as you can get, and the reason they did so is because they got accounts on their business credit reports that show that they're reporting as agreed. So by putting accounts on the credit report that show that you pay your bills as agreed, that alone can take you from failing to highly successful scores just by getting credit that reports to the reporting agencies and paying those bills on time or early. So for more information on building business credit, including more vendors you can use to start your business credit profile and score, visit us online at creditsuite.com/tips to grab your free 4-step business credit building guide. And feel free to give us a ring with any questions you have along the way of building your business credit, 877-600-2487, or visit us online at creditsuite.com.